Check out this pre-owned 2009 BMW X6 xDrive50i. This four-door SUV has an 8-cylinder, 4.4-liter V8 engine, with all-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 80,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 12 miles per gallon in the city, and 18 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, power steering, OnStar, moonroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, and navigation system.